Maybe you have a lot of favorite TikTok videos and you want to quickly find them within the app. For this, TikTok has a great feature collections. So I'll show you how to create and delete collections. Let's open up the app and let's save this video with sunset. For that, I'm just gonna tap on the icon and now it is saved. And once it is saved, you can see option manage. Click on that and you should see that you now created a new collection. So just give it a name. For example, let's give sunsets. And if you want to, you can make it public or you can just leave it for yourself. Once it's done, click save and it will be saved to your new collection. Another way how you can manage your videos in the collection is to go to your profile, tap on this little save icon on the top, and choose collections within the menu. So not posts, but collections. You will see your created one, existing, and this option to create new one. So let's click on that and name it as nature. I'm gonna tap next and choose this video from my saved videos. Just tap add video. And now this collection is created as well. So I have two collections, private collections. Now to delete it, just tap on it again. Tap on the arrow in the top right and choose delete collection on the bottom of the screen. Confirm, and now it's gone. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see more useful content.